Dang, this hillside's being good this year. Either got a spike or a small one right here. Either way, it's little, I guess, but it's not a spiker. Little guy. Oh, tiny little 3-pointer. Base is concave there a little bit. Neat. Alrighty. I'm gonna spend some time here, I guess. I don't know what's going on with my luck today, but I just stood up. It was laying right there. Turn around. There's another one stuck right there in that jagger bush. Another little brown. Kind of neat looking little one. Squirrels are, oh man, he's neat. Squirrels are just trashing everything up in here. Goodness. Alright, well that puts us at 89. One more is going to be 90. Hopefully we can get here. I'm pretty sure we got number 90. I actually thought it was a bone. I was below it. That last little one was right there. And the other one was right there at the base of that tree. But I'm thinking this is a shed. And it's cool looking. If it is. Yes, it is. Look at that. In the world. It's from at least last year. That must have been a weird looking buck. That's one of the neatest sheds I've ever found, and even though it's tiny and old, at least it's not chewed on and ruined, but that definitely makes number 90. Man, that had to be growing weird off his head. And this never fully developed out here into hard antler. It doesn't look like either. Sweet. Well, that's cool. That made my day. We're having a heck of a day anyhow, but I'm gonna keep on going. It's not, I don't know, for some reason it's blue skies and sunny, but it doesn't seem like it's all that terribly bright. I'm not sure why, but I'll take it. And if we pick any more, we'll be back.